My name is Michael. I go by Maggot. I've been playing Airsoft for well over 15 years, and I've been on SYG for about 12 years.
My fucking gun.
Yeah.
No call me, no call me.
Hey, look. Back on my ignorant shit. Hey.
No, you guys still have fun. Keep five, keep five.
Hey,
You play four.
I got Zans, what you need, bitch, I'm low, never free. I be talking more than weed, I just might pop a beat ×3. That ain't like, oh, you rappers wanna fight. If that nigga drop his addy, then he catch it, then I'll say, hey, look, I just might shoot at my fans, hey. Pussy boy, pull up your pants, hey. I'm lit with the devil, we dance, hey. To be honest, see the fams, hey. All you niggas wanna trip, hop off my dick, hey. That spot to your bitch, hey. Cause he said she wanted, I got Vans on my
I've been using this as my primary pistol and competition pistol. It's just a stock TM high capper 4.3. Only things I've done to it are short stroked it, changed out the inner barrel to 6.01, and put a maple leaf bucking in it. I keep my competition pistol stock because straight out of the box I feel that it performs the best. I keep the slide plastic just because it's lighter and it cycles a lot faster. It performs way better than any high kappa builds that I've seen, in my opinion. So this is a kind of a Frankenstein build. So on top I've got a TM dual stainless 4.3 slide. The lower is a WeTech lower 3.8 baby high kappa, and this has the option of shooting in semi or fully auto. Alright, this one's just like a personal little favorite of mine. It's a WeTech upper. The lower half is Armor Works. I don't really care about name brands and all that shit. As long as it performs, it works, and they've all performed for me. The shotgun that I use is just a basic Sigma. Just put a bunch of attachments on it. It's a Springer, which I mainly use. This is the KO.
E4.
E4.
I thought you said you didn't like this guy.
I didn't like it.
What changed?
I used it. Got a Noveski sound amplifier on it. Got our Armor Works red dot sight, Surefire flashlight, tech boxes, I don't know. So after testing it out, I just threw my attachments on it and made it look as dope as I could, went out and played, and it is now one of my favorite guns to use. So this plate carrier is from Evike. I'm not sure the name of the brand, and what I'm running on it is just a cummerbund with a triple mag pouch with 3 EPM1s in it. And yeah, that's about it.
Не смотри в мои глаза, ты не увидишь в них любви. Обходи меня сторонкой, тянет только на рубли, 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 на рубли. Я достану.
Plate carrier is kid size, so it fits tighter. It's a smaller fit. It's nice and compact, so it makes it really useful for SPEEDQB. I use a lot of motocross type gloves and biking gloves just because they're thinner and they fit better on the hand. I use brands like Fox, Troy Lee Designs. I don't really care about brand names. I just really care about how the things look and perform. If it performs well, I'm going to use it. So I'll go with any brand as long as it looks good and performs well.
На рубли, на рубли, на рубли, на рубли, на рубли, на рубли.